Imagine a desert suddenly bursting into life. That's what happens every year in the heart of Africa when the Okavango River floods the Kalahari sands, giving rise to a vast inland oasis. Welcome to the Okavango Delta, nature's own miracle. In this video, we'll explore how this transformation happens, meet the incredible wildlife it supports, and see why this place is one of Earth's greatest wonders. Located in northern Botswana, the Okavango Delta is a large inland delta system, meaning its waters don't lead to the sea. Each year, floodwaters pour in from upstream in Angola, pushing into the Kalahari sands and creating a complex network of lagoons, channels, islands, and floodplains. The delta can vary in size, from about 6,000 square kilometers in drier times to more than 15,000 square kilometers in peak flood. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, largely intact and with minimal development. The magic begins upstream. Rains in the highlands of Angola feed the river. These rains usually peak in January to March, but it takes months for that water pulse to travel downstream and soak into Botswana's sands. By May to June, floodwaters begin to arrive in the delta, slowly spreading through channels and floodplains. The timing is such that the waters arrive in Botswana's dry season, meaning animals across the region are drawn to the delta's life-giving water just when other sources vanish. Because the Okavango becomes a haven of water in a dry landscape, wildlife density becomes extraordinary. Over 480 bird species and hundreds of plant, fish, mammal, reptile, and amphibian species have been recorded here. You'll find elephants, hippos, crocodiles, lions, leopards, wild dogs, hyenas, buffalo, giraffes, and many antelope species like lechwe as they flock to water. The aquatic environment also supports fish like tigerfish, tilapia, and water birds. Because vegetation around slows down and concentrates life near water, predators find great opportunities too, making the delta one of the top wildlife viewing zones on Earth. Visitors don't just watch from afar, they immerse in nature. You can explore via 4x4 game drives, walking safaris, or by Mokoro, a traditional canoe gliding through papyrus-lined channels. Many lodges are accessible only by small charter flights. There are few roads. The tourism model emphasizes low-impact, high-value lodges, few crowds, and close-to-nature experiences. At night, under stars, you'll hear hippos, lions, or insect chorus. It's a wilderness experience unmatched anywhere else. But the Okavango isn't without threats. Climate change, upstream water use, hydrological alterations, and human encroachment all pose risks to the delta's delicate balance. Conservation efforts are ongoing, protecting water sources upstream, sustainable tourism, community integration, and scientific monitoring. Because the delta is so remote and minimally developed, it remains an excellent example of how nature can endure when given a chance. The Okavango Delta shows us a stunning truth that even in places of desert and sand, water can transform the world, inviting life to bloom in the most unexpected ways. If you loved this journey, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which animal would you most like to see in the Delta? Also, if you want behind the scenes, drone tips, or a full photo guide, I'd be happy to make more. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring Earth's wonders together.